At some point imele sivume ukuthi European coaches are better than local coaches. Uma usubheka impela umlando wamaSoweto Giants between Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, coach ababene success, coach bale ngaphandle, coach base Europe, coach abanjengo Ruud Krol, coach abanjengo Ted Dumitru. Izinto ezikanje ziyayihlala zingidla umoya because la South Africa sibaningi coach esinabo la South Africa. Njengoba baningi coach esinabo abanethalent, asibanikeze isikhathi mebeya kulama club amakhulu abanjengo Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. Ucoach uyalithola ithuba uthi coach team mase ama fans retaliate ngendlela kanje. Leyo nto akusiyona into right as ama South African. But nabo coach asebenza umlando la eSouth Africa between the two Soweto Giants angabona bala eSouth Africa. So qala with the late Ted Dumitru. Ted Dumitru is one of the best coaches. Ebuya isho kuBafana Bafana. Waqala ukucoach Kaizer Chiefs back in 1985. Kulo 1985 lo kule mnyaka ihlala kwiKaizer Chiefs usewinele iKaizer Chiefs ama trophies alinganiswa la ku 6 trophies asewinele iKaizer Chiefs. Lo 6 trophies usawina ama league awu2 nama cups ayi4. For ucoach wase Romania, that's really good. Because akusiyena ucoach wala South Africa olazi ibhola la South Africa. Wafika ngaphandle nama tactics ali ngaphandle. But RIP to the legend. Ngilandele ngoRuud Krol. uRuud Krol is one of the best coaches awase by coach Orlando Pirates. Waqala ukucoach Orlando Pirates ngo2008 waze waqeda ngo2011. Kule mnyaka ihlala kweOrlando Pirates waba nesuccess kakhulu. Wayephuma le Netherlands. Ngonyaka ka2010 2011 wawinele Orlando Pirates i-treble. Kule treble le wawina i-league, wawina i-MTN 8, waphinda wawina ne-Nedbank. Lokho kwakuyisuccess kakhulu, kwakuyisuccess enkulu kweOrlando Pirates. Omunye uAugusto Palacios. uPalacios yena kuyena wala eSouth Africa. Ucoach lo wangaphandle wale ePeru. Yize ngasiyena wase-Europe but ukucoach wangaphandle. Kuningi akwenzele Orlando Pirates behind the scenes and so wayiwinele Orlando Pirates i-league. Because one of the times waba yi-technical director Orlando Pirates. Umushini Etugal is one of the best coaches na aseba i-coach Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs angafakaza about Umushini Etugal. Wacoach iKaizer Chiefs amahlandla ayi2. Kula mahlandla ayi2 wayiwinela ama-cups ayi2. Yize ngasiyona i-success enkulu kangako but for me that's huge for a European coach ukuthi afike e-country angayijwayele akwazi ukunqoba ama-cups. Aningi the list is endless. Ngababala abaze babaningi ucoach abafika la South Africa ngasibona la South Africa. European coaches, South American coaches. But inkinga ila eSouth Africa. La South Africa siyahluleka ukukhanda ucoach bethu la South Africa ukuthi ba produce. Ungangitshela ngoPeter Mosimane. uPeter Mosimane you cannot tell me ukuthi uPeter ucoach. Yabo any coach can achieve success mekhona ama fans ambhekayo. Yabo I'm not degrading uPeter Mosimane. He's one of the best coaches I say about produce like South Africa. But if the fans are injected into your system, of course your system will succeed. But baningi ucoach engababala. Nawe mhlawumbe ungababala kuma comments usho obakhumbulayo. Yabo mhlawumbe phela imemory yami ingabuye ibe incane because angikho mdala leyo ndlela. Bakhona ababe coach ngalezi ayikhathi yabo.